Welcome to a new episode, guys. Today in the KameGarage, we're gonna take our chrome blue G35. As you guys know, we have this concept wheels on our G35. I ordered them from Fitment Industries.com. I don't know if it was just in my case. They actually fucked up. They did. As you guys can see, this is the front tire, the front wheel. It's a 255, 35, 18, right there, right? Look at that fitment. The fitment's pretty good. It's pretty good. Now, if you guys look at this one, something's wrong, right? Yeah, if you guys can see, that one pokes out quite a bit. I can't believe it took me so long to realize that Fitment Industries, they actually mixed up the wheels and tires. So this wheel needs to go in the rear. And I noticed because right here, you guys can see it's concave and it has a little lip and it goes back. This one does the same. It has a little lip, concave, and goes back. All right. Now look at both the ones on the left. Concave, no lip. Concave, no inner lip. So what they did is they sent the two rear ones. They were supposed to be 18 times 10.5s, I believe, and 12 or 15 offset. So what they did is when they installed the tires, because they do have the wheel and tire package, they actually installed the wrong tire and the wrong wheel, and they send them like that. So I don't know what happened with the quality check. As you guys can see, this is very flush, like almost like a meaty setup. And now if you guys take a look on this one, it's stretched out because this is a bigger wheel, it's a bigger barrel. So we're gonna go ahead and take it to my boy's shop, rolling wheels and tires, so they can swap those tires for us. So let's go. Well, we're back home, guys, and look, finally got the G35 right. Look at that fitment. Nice. So we went ahead and swapped the wheels with the tires because, you know, Fitment Industries fucked it up. But the wheels are exactly how they need to be, the tires as well. We still need to drop the height of the G. We do have BC Racing DS series coilovers, so we do have to drop it a little bit. What we're gonna do now is unbox and install our new LED turn signals. The ones that go right here, the side markers, we got it from Z1 Motorsports. So let's go ahead and get that install going. Stickers, extra 5 horsepower. Here's the side markers, guys. They look nice. They're smoked ones. Again, it has one LED strip right there in the middle. We have the side marker right here. Pretty much, it comes with this red one, which I believe this might be the sequential. So when you turn your signal, it will switch it to amber. All you gotta do, honestly, is take this old light bulb out, and this connects directly to it. So it should go right to it. It's a plug and play, super easy. Now, before we do anything, we wanna make sure it works. Go ahead and turn on the lights. And there you go. It's working, guys. It looks so sick. Let's zoom in on that real quick. Yo, that looks sick. This is for the turn signal. Honestly, I don't want the turn signal, so we're just gonna leave it white. So we're just gonna tuck this in, and then just clip this on place. We're just gonna do the same thing to the other side. Connect this in here. Turn on the lights, make sure it works. Tuck all this in, make sure it's secure. You heard that click, you're done. Look at that. Is this a Lamborghini? A 2023, a 2050 G35? It makes a huge difference. It looks amazing. Just look. You can't be mad at that. You can't not break your neck to that. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Liked it, comment, subscribe if you did, and make sure to stay tuned and find out what happens to the G35 in the next episode of the KameGarage. Peace.